Every pack of instant noodles you open was never trying to look straight. Noodles can be straight, spaghetti is straight, plenty of dried Asian noodles are straight. But instant noodles show up as this tangled little brick, not elegant, not tidy, almost like the factory gave up. So is that what happened? Did someone just press a pile of noodles together and call it done? No, that curl is doing actual work. The first job is simple. The noodle block has to survive being a block. Imagine packing the noodles as straight, parallel rods, tight, flat, all lined up. That sounds neat, but it acts like a dry slab. Hard in the wrong way. Brittle in the wrong way. Push on it and the force has nowhere friendly to go. The block cracks. The corners break. You get crumbs in the bag. Curly noodles behave differently. The loops touch. They cross. They catch on each other. It is closer to a tiny woven structure than a stack of sticks. Loose on the outside. Supported on the inside. That is why the brick can be bounced around in shipping, stuffed into a wrapper, and pulled out without instantly falling apart. The second job is the one you notice when you pour in hot water. Curly noodles cook faster. Before they reach you, instant noodles are cooked and then dehydrated, usually by frying or by hot air. Take the water out and the noodle becomes stubborn. It does not want to soften evenly. If the strands were straight and packed tight, hot water would mostly hit the outside first. The edge softens, the middle waits. That is how you get the worst version of a noodle block. Soft outside, hard center, long wait. The curls leave gaps, tiny spaces, tiny tunnels. They are everywhere. So when hot water goes in, it does not just soak the surface. It slips through the block. Water can reach more noodles from more sides. The whole brick gives up faster. That familiar 3-minute promise is not just seasoning packet optimism. The shape helps make it possible. The curl is basically a shortcut system for hot water. There is one more reason, and you feel it when you eat. Straight noodles packed tightly together love to become one clump. You lift with chopsticks, and half the bowl tries to come with it. That bite feels heavy, sticky, not springy. Curly noodles already have bends and spaces built in. After they soften, they are easier to loosen. A quick pull with chopsticks separates the strands. The bite feels lighter, more like noodles, less like a wet block. So that messy-looking brick is not careless at all. Every curve is doing a job. It helps the block resist breaking. It helps water get inside. It helps the noodles separate in the bowl. Next time you make instant noodles, look at the block before the water goes in. That is not just a tangle. That is a small piece of food engineering. A 3-minute meal needs a surprisingly clever shape. The curves hold the block together. The curves open paths for hot water. And the curves help it eat like noodles, not like a lump.